Oh no, but wait a second. Where the is like? Hold on.
I brought you here because you're the best in the business. We are going to pull off the biggest heist in magic. We are going to turn theft into art. Let's do this.
Right, the mark folds the card. Then it's secured in a grip seal bag. Then it's dropped in a box. And you can bloody well see it in there. Then a rubber band goes on. Oh, and they can hear it. Then a second flaming bang, and you can still hear it. Then you need to take out the guard. But then they remove the rubber band. Boom! It's just an empty bag in a box. No. Oh, and the getaway? Anywhere you like.
What is this? Oh. Take this a second, right? Because look, on the language it changes. They give you check out. They give you points for flair, right? Because check it out. It might not be you, also might not be. It might not be. Hopefully it is. How did he do that? It's unbelievable. Did he do that? No, honestly.